Cora Healthcare is a veteran pharmacy company, family owned, in Ireland. So we make medical devices and we make pharmaceutical, products as well, and expanding all the time. And previously we've used university labs, okay, and these are not, now they're non-GMP, so you wouldn't have access to things that you would normally have in a place like this. Cherrywood, for us, it was a no-brainer because everything is in place here for you to just move in and set up your equipment and get going. So you have all the relevant facilities that you need around you, really. Then of course you have that environment where there are other companies around and that you can actually learn something from them, or you can work together. No matter the size of the company, you can actually do what you need to do here. The areas are well designed to be able to work from anywhere, really. Pioneer was very good in terms of supporting us. So yeah, no, absolutely. I see us being here for a long time, even as we're growing. Yeah, absolutely. What I do on a day-to-day basis would be, working in the lab. So essentially working for early development of products. So looking at how we can make, formulations that we think have potential to become products that go into the market to solve, people's healthcare needs. There's a great sense of fulfillment you get when you work on a product, even if it takes you 2 or 3 years, and you can see it on the shelves tomorrow morning. Not necessarily in Ireland, it could be anywhere else, but it's somewhere sitting in a pharmacy somewhere, in a chemist shop.